All right, so first off, this is not going to be any setup that I would use. Everything that's on here is for dramatic effect. This is the Victsing gaming mouse pad. It's huge. It's 30% larger than most. So let's talk about it. I want to give a big shout out to Fernando Silva for recommending this mouse pad. Now, I first saw this on his channel. This is the Victsing 30% larger gaming mouse pad. And for the effect of the video, I just wanted to put a lot of stuff on here because I'm going to strictly be using this with my monitor that's in the background as well as my iPad. But I wanted to actually show you guys everything that you could possibly get on here. Now, it's huge in its own respect, but this thing is anti-slip. It's waterproof. I got my Nintendo Switch Lite right here. I got a speaker here. I got my actual iPad here with its keyboard. On this side right here, I have my Logitech pencil, my crayon pencil. I have another stylus. I have my AirPods Pro back there. I have my Osmo Pocket and my mouse right there. So just for a dramatic effect, I wanted to show you guys what all you could put on this mat. Now, if you notice and look closely, right back here by the speaker, you get the Victsing logo and you get this over here. Now, if you see the LED lights that course around the bottom and the sides, you have different modes that you can put this in, different colors, lighting modes, whatever you want, whatever your flavor is, you can change this up. It will move, the lights will pulsate, they'll flicker, whatever you need them to do. Like I said, this is a waterproof mat, slip proof, made out of nice rubber material. You got nice on the bottom, it's not going to slide. And this cable that I'm hiding right there is a micro USB that's going to power this to a USB type A, which I have running under my desk. Coming over to the right hand side, you just get this Victsing logo, and that's pretty much it. Everything else is basically going to be standard or stock, just matte. It's just wide open mat. So what I'm going to do now is take everything off the mat. There you go. That's exactly what it looks like with nothing on it. So it's a huge mat. It's made for gaming. I don't do a whole lot of gaming on computers, but this is going to be a great setup for my iPad. So I can just come up, sit it down, because you know my table is metal and my iPad is magnetic. So a lot of times it sticks to the table. So this will be a great accessory for me to have just because it will hopefully not stick. Let's see. Yep, it doesn't stick. So it's going to be a great accessory for me to have. It's going to really come in handy, and it has a lot of space on it. And plus it has the LED lighting, which gives it that effect. So this is it right here, the Victsing gaming mouse pad. I highly recommend this. Like I said, it came from my guy Fernando Silva. I want you to go by and check his channel out. I'm going to link it below. He put me onto this, but that's pretty much it, guys. I struggled whether I was going to review this or not. Went ahead and did it. I think it'll be a good thing to have for your iPad as well as all of your accessories. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. This device is going to run you about 24 bucks, but I'll drop a link below so you can check it out for yourself on Amazon. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.